Viruses are defined as noncellular infectious entities which contain either DNA or RNA normally enclosed in proteinaceous coat. Viruses are extremely small infectious agents which can only be seen under electron microscope. They range from 20 nanometers to 250 nanometers. Viruses depends on host cell. Virus is attached to a cell, the cell engulfs the virus. Viral genetic materials are released in the cell, and begin replication. New viral particles are released from the cell and enters into bloodstream which causes disease. Viruses come in many different shapes and sizes, but all are made of two essential components, a core of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, which is surrounded by a protective protein coat, called a capsid. Packed together, a single virion comes in 4 different shapes: helical, polyhedral, spherical, and complex. Helical viruses, like the tobacco mosaic virus, which infects a number of different types of plants, have a slinky-shaped capsid that twists around and encloses its genetic material. Polyhedral viruses, like adenoviruses, which are known to cause a range of illnesses from pink eye to pneumonia, are composed of genetic material surrounded by a many-sided capsid, usually with 20 triangular faces. Spherical viruses, like the coronavirus, are essentially helical viruses enclosed in a membrane known as envelope, which is spiked with glycoproteins that assist in sticking to and entering host cells. Complex viruses, like bacteriophages, which infects and kill bacteria, which are composed of polyhedral head, a helical body and tail fibers that attach to a cell membrane so that it can transfer its genetic material. There are 2 types of life cycle: lytic cycle and lysogenic cycle. Lytic cycle. The stages of lytic cycle are: attachment. Proteins in the tail of the phage bind to a specific receptor on the surface of the bacterial cell. Penetration. The phage injects its double-stranded DNA genome into the cytoplasm of the bacterium. DNA copying and protein synthesis. Phage DNA is copied, and phage genes are expressed to make proteins, such as capsid proteins. Assembly of new phage. Capsids assemble from the capsid proteins and are stuffed with DNA to make lots of new phage particles. Cell bursting, or lysis, releases hundreds of new phages, which can find and infect other host cells nearby. Lysogenic cycle. The stages of lysogenic cycle are: a bacteriophage virus infects a bacteria by injecting its DNA into the bacterial cytoplasm. A bacteriophage's DNA recombines with a particular region of the bacterial chromosome. This causes the phage DNA to be integrated into the chromosome. The integrated phage DNA is not active, its genes aren't expressed, and it doesn't drive production of new phages. However, each time a host cell divides, the prophage is copied along with the host DNA. Sometimes, the viral DNA gets detached from the host chromosome and lytic cycle starts. This process is called induction. Hundred of new phages releases which can infect another host cell nearby. There are many diseases which are caused by viruses, which are: smallpox, which is caused by variola virus; poliomyelitis, which is caused by polio virus; dengue fever, are caused by dengue virus; AIDS, which is caused by human immunodeficiency virus;